am Kayo and welcome back to my channel. Today's kanji is naka. Naka. So let's get started. Meaning: in, inside, middle, mean, center, radical, this red stroke, bo, pronunciation, kunyomi, naka, naka, uchi, uchi, onyomi, chu, chu, ju, ju. Stroke order: 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 3 tips for writing naka beautifully. Tip 1. This tip is about the full shape of this character. Actually, I was thinking, what should I explain this shape? Oh, it looks island mask of night. Wow, that's great idea. Here is the eye part. So this part is longer than here. Ratio is 1 to 1 to 1.5. About. Bad example is not like this, because this is the longest, okay? Or not like this. Yeah, this is the longest. Please make this part longer. All right, tip 2. This tip is about the angle of strokes and kind of technique to look it cool, okay? The first, the angle. These 2 side strokes are inward. Not like this. The both side stroke vertical. Okay. And this stroke sticks out at the bottom, and this stroke sticks out in the right. Yeah, not like this. Or not like this. Here, the direction is wrong. Please stick it out in the right, okay? And this is extra tip. I always make a space here, upper left part, because it looks relaxed and natural or mature. This character has no space here. It looks childish or cramped. It's not entirely necessary to make a space here. This is totally correct. Yeah, but I like this style. It's very, very extra tip, so you don't have to care so much. All right, tip 3. This tip is about the stroke movement. So this horizontal line is a little bit upward, and I wrote it also a little bit rounded or curved inward. Yeah, because it looks soft and feminine or gentle. If you write like this. Sorry. Yeah, it's also good. Yeah, that's okay. But it looks a little bit strong or harsh for me. Yeah, sometimes I also write this style, but basically I like this rounded stroke. And the end of this vertical line is a sweep, not stop it. Okay? So a bad example is flat, flat, or downward, downward, and the last stroke is stop. This is not good. Okay? Alright, so let's write again as a review. Reading quiz. 背中、真ん中、集中、中古、年中。全部できたかな？ Alright, so next is example words. Number 1. 中学校、中学校。学校 means school. So, 中学校 means middle school or junior high school. 私は中学校で日本語を学びました。私は中学校で日本語を学びました。日本語 means Japanese. 学びました。学ぶ means learn. So, I learned Japanese at junior high school. 私は中学校で日本語を学びました。Japanese education system includes 6 years in elementary school and 3 years in junior high school and 3 years in high schools and 4 years in college. Only elementary schools and junior high schools are compulsory education, but about 99% of students enter high school. Okay, in Japanese. 日本の学校教育は小学校が6年、中学校が3年、高校が3年、大学が4年です。小学校と中学校が義務教育ですが、生徒の 99% が高校に進学します。Did you hear it? Alright, number 2. 途中、途中。と means way. So, 途中 means on the way. 途中でコンビニに寄ってもいいですか？途中でコンビニに寄ってもいいですか？コンビニ means convenience store. 寄っても、寄る means stop by. いいですか means can I? So it means can I stop by a convenience store on the way? 途中でコンビニに 寄ってもいいですか? Alright, number 3. 中止中止 し means stop. So 中止 means cancel. コロナウイルスの影響でイベントが中止になりました。コロナウイルスの影響でイベントが中止になりました。コロナウイルス means coronavirus. 影響で means due to. イベント means event. So it means the event was cancelled due to the coronavirus. コロナウイルスの影響でイベントが中止になりました。If the event was cancelled due to the heavy rain, 大雨の影響で or it was cancelled due to typhoon, 台風の影響で or it was cancelled due to various reasons, 諸事情で諸事情で中止になりました like that. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you find my video is helpful for you, please don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any advice or request, it's very important for me. So please write them in your comments. Please. I have also Instagram account and Twitter account, so check them out and follow them too. Alright, see you next video.